attack here. Oh, looking for a penalty. Steps up. Oh, and he scores. Portmore United take the lead in the KFC under 18 elite. Steps up. Oh, and he scores. Portmore United take the lead in the KFC under 18 elite. Seeing the R&B semi-finals of the Jamaican Premier League as well. They will take on Mount Pleasant on Sunday night. Now they can come forward here with Ryan Campbell. Lovely turn, has a shot. Great defending, I believe. Can they score here? In for KFA, not a good clearance from Prince Louis. Henry on the edge of the box. A shot taken eventually, and a save. Not a very convincing one. Holloway, who's still going, plays it to Henry. Oh, great pass to Holloway, and what a challenge! Wallace delivers. Goes the back post, hit it on! And that's on to the back. It's a shot away! Oh! Oh my! It's a shot away! It's a shot away! Oh! Oh my word! Oh my God! What? As a strike. Wallace steps up and it's saved! Oh! Steps up and it's saved! Oh! Green Hall.
Just tell me when.
Oh, they're through here. Now to Jake Gordon has a chance to make it 3. Save right up here.
Just tell me when.
Trying to go direct. Now it's Clark. Has a shot. Ooh. Shot. Ooh. Pursued by Kelsey Brown. Takes it wide over to David Clark. Take on Carey. Able to stop him. Wallace, Kevin Brown gets it wide to David Clark. Gets a cross in. Ooh. Oh. Lamar Wallace threw himself. Gets a cross in. Ooh. Oh.
Jesus.
Here, Kevin Brown surging through the middle. Plays a pass for Lamar Wallace. What a tackle by none other than arguably the player.
That's true that up.
By none other than arguably the player. Ooh, a rather bad pass at the back. Angels through. Oh, Portmore have done it! Angels through. The stick boy giving away another error here. Barnaby goes for it! Ooh, ho, ho. Four.
Burn that goal, boy. Burn that goal.
Barnaby goes for it!
Combo. I missed that. Bitch.
In now to Kelvin Brown, cuts back, trying to get past the defender, unable to. But now Cohen Carey has a shot.
Man big and crying your Fred. Six, go on 6. Boss you go on 6. Good try, boy.
Flat gone up. Still there. Reyna
Woo!
has a shot. Reyna! Very, very soon. Clark still going forward. Went down, and it's a penalty. Once more.
Okay.
The do and the beautiful penalty.
5-1 again. Good goal, man.
Should be going for goal. Oh, saved. Pushed onto the. Once more, a chaotic end to the game now in this final. Barnaby coming forward, goes for goal! Oh.
Watch out, watch out. Come and play like that.
Now David Clark, cross coming in, and Miles Hanna has turned it.
Keep on that goal, boy. Keep on that goal. Goal.